You know, my brother's a Marine, 8 years older than me, early 80s now, but once a Marine, always a Marine. And I've always carried a quiet envy, not a resentment, just kind of a little ache because he got to serve his country in a way that was visible and named and honored. When I retired for the first time in 2015, I just told the court I was leaving. There wasn't any gold watch, there was no party. I walked out, and the sun went down. And I thought that's all there was. But a few days later, I got a letter, snail mail, the real thing, paper. And it was from a judge that I'd often knocked heads with. It wasn't an easy relationship. But all it said was, "Dear Bob, thank you for your service. Thank you for your service." I stood in my kitchen and I read that and something let go because I had served, not in uniform and not overseas, not in the way my brother had. But in those rooms, in those years, in those thousands of cases, I had served this democracy. Look, I'm telling you all this because we're in a war. I'm not talking about the one in Iran. I'm not a metaphor. It's a real war against the rule of law.